Cambodia refines over 6,700 kilograms of gold, collects $10 million in royalties. Minister of Mines and Energy Keo Seima announced that Cambodia has refined 6,727 kilograms of gold dore bars and collected royalties of more than $10 million as of the beginning of June this year. The minister made the announcement during a June 10 visit to a gold mine site in the Okvau area in Mondulkiri province's Keo Seima district. The visit was also attended by Men San An, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of National Assembly, Senate Relations and Inspection, provincial authorities, and representatives of Australian mining company Renaissance Minerals Cambodia Ltd. According to the ministry, the Okvau gold mine in Chung Phlas commune underwent 14 years of environmental impact assessments and exploration digs before its operations. In 2021, the mine employs 434 people, including 347 Cambodians and 87 foreigners. Since its official launch, Renaissance Minerals have smelted 727.70 kilograms of 90% pure dore bars. The company has paid a total of $10,228.239 in royalties to the government, said Keo Seima. The construction of the mines and their infrastructure began in mid-2020, with a total investment of about $120 million. Ministry of Economy and Finance Permanent Secretary of State Vonzi Visith said in late January that due to the fact that gold mining is a new industry for Cambodia, private companies had undertaken most of the exploratory work, meaning tax revenues and royalties from this resource remained limited. Han Vanak, an economist at the Institute of International Relations at the Royal Academy of Cambodia, said on June 11 that the kingdom is fortunate to be home to accessible gold deposits, although he noted that the amount refined was not as abundant as those in some other nations, like India. He added that regardless of the amount that was produced, it was still making a worthwhile contribution to the national economy.